Hey, welcome to Elmers out of Salvage with a 2007 Ford F150 XLT. Our stock number is Y720916. The vehicle has 223,745 miles. The 5.4 that's in it is 54,000 on remand. Transmission is bad. Four-wheel drive. Sounds good. Body-wise, we have rust, fenders, doors, box. Rear bumper dented, tailgate is large dent throughout. Box side, bottoms of both doors are rusted in, and driver's fender's rusted. Seats worn out. Pressure looks good. Says it's an exhaust leak, sounds fine.